This is how you use a leveling system when laying floor tiles. The three main components are the base clip, the wedge, and the application tool. And this is how you use all three together. Spread your floor adhesive with the flat edge of the trowel, then comb it through. Place your tile into the centre of the room, lining up with your mark. Pop a spirit level on top of it, give it a gentle tap, and make sure it's level. Place the base clips under the bottom of the tile where it's touching the adhesive. This is the flat anchor section of it. Butt up the second tile against them, press it down. Place the wedge through the base clip. Then using the application tool, start to squeeze them together. You may find it pulls the tiles apart a little bit, but just squeeze them too. Then start to spread the adhesive for the third tile, placing two more base clips under the bottom edge of it. Again, butt the tile up to it and slide the wedges between the clip. Continue to do this around the two edges of the tiles for the fourth tile. Again, squeeze those wedges using the application tool, spreading an equal amount of pressure against all base clips and wedges. As you can see, when you try to run one of the wedges over the tiles before it's been squeezed into position, once you've applied it, and squeeze it tight with the application tool, give it a gentle little tap with your hammer, then run another wedge across it, and you'll see it's perfectly smooth and flat. Now, I've been fixing down floor and wall tiles for over 30 years. However, I only started using the leveling systems about 5 years ago, and I wish I'd found them a lot sooner, because it's so much quicker and easier to get your tiles perfectly level when using the leveling system. Once you've laid 6 to 8 tiles, then start using a larger spirit level to double check that you've got them all perfectly level. Now, if you're wanting to learn a lot more about tiles, it's certainly worth subscribing to Tile Mountain's YouTube channel, because we've got lots of different videos on there of wall and floor tiles, from showing you how to set them out, to mix the adhesive and lay the tiles, making sure you've got equal cuts either side, showing you how to do the straight cuts, as well as the awkward cuts around doors and architraves. There's even videos on there showing you how to seal the tiles in preparation for grouting them. One thing to bear in mind is the position where you place the base clip. You need to leave enough space around the corners of each tile so you can get the application tool in and squeeze the wedges tightly into the base clip. Using the long spirit level, keep checking the levels as you go. And don't forget, there's further videos on our YouTube channel showing you how to grout and seal different wall and floor tiles. As you can see, once you've squeezed it into level using the application tool and you slide another wedge across it, you can see it's perfectly level. So now all the full tiles are fixed down and dry, I can start to take out the base clips and wedges. Now I use a set of pliers, I grab each side of them and pull them too. The base clip themselves have a little split in them, so they do come out quite easy, leaving the bottom anchor section firmly fixed into the adhesive below. Now if you're anything like me, you want to get your money's worth out of them, the good thing is you can reuse the red wedges. So then all you'll have to do is purchase some base clips. And don't forget, you can also use the levelling system on your wall tiles too. And that's how easy it is to use levelling systems. If you're looking for more how-to videos or just inspiration, follow us on all social media handles and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. But if you just want to know more about the vast range of products that Tile Mountain stock, check out their website, tilemountain.co.uk.